Faceless YouTube channels like this are making over $4,000 a month in passive income from ad revenue alone. But that's not where most of their money is coming from. These channels are making thousands of dollars more per month from these little links, which I'll explain later. In this video, I'm going to break down the laziest video creation process you can use to start a similar channel. I'll also show you a way to start making money from day one without needing to have a lot of subscribers or watch time hours. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. Step 1. Set up your channel. First, you need a name. A channel name is more than just a label. It's the first impression viewers will have of your content. It's also a way to stand out. Choosing something generic like AI money tips might not stick in anyone's mind. Instead, think about what makes your channel unique. What's your focus? Is it tutorials on AI tools, money-making strategies, or something else? Use that as a guide. If you're stuck, a tool like Namelix can help. It uses AI to generate creative name ideas based on the keywords you provide. For example, if your focus is AI and automation, you could type in AI, automate, or digital income, and then select a name style like brandable names. You can set the generation randomness to low, and then you can write a business description like a YouTube channel, sharing the best ways to start an online business. Hit generate, and then Namelix will give you some unique suggestions. Take your time with this step. A great name will save you the trouble of rebranding later. Next, let's talk about email. You might be tempted to use your personal email, but trust me, creating a dedicated Gmail account for your channel is the way to go. It keeps your work and personal life separate and makes managing your channel much easier. Plus, when your channel starts growing, you'll be grateful for that extra level of organization. Just head to Gmail, sign up, and choose an email address that matches your channel name as closely as possible. Now, it's time to create your YouTube channel. Log in with your new email. Now, you can type in your chosen channel name. And just like that, your channel exists. But don't stop there. A bare-bones channel won't attract viewers. This is where branding comes in. Branding is about making your channel look professional and inviting. Start with a logo and banner. These don't have to be complicated. Simple and clean works best. Canva is perfect for this. In the templates library, search for YouTube banner and logo. Pick templates that match your general niche or that you think are good starting points. Then, open up the template and replace any images that are in the template with icons or images that you can search for in the Elements section. For example, we can look for a money icon and drag that on. Then, adjust the writing to match your channel name. You can also play around with all the fonts that Canva offers and adjust the colors to what you like. Again, make sure everything is clean and pops. Download your channel logo and banner in the correct dimensions. Then, upload these to your channel. Now, everything looks much more professional and tied together. The last thing we need to do is write your channel description, which is another important piece. Your description should explain what your channel is about and why people should care. To help you come up with a description, you can use ChatGPT. Just give it a prompt like this. Copy and paste this into your YouTube channel description and tweak it a little if you need to. You can also make sure that your email is available to view, in case anybody wants to reach out to you for some type of collaboration. Now, it's time to create your first video. This is where a lot of beginners get stuck, but I've got a foolproof, lazy way to go about this process. Step 2. Come up with great video ideas. YouTube's algorithm loves trending topics, so start by researching what's already popular. Open an incognito browser window. This keeps your search results unbiased. And type in something like AI tools for beginners or faceless YouTube channels. Watch a few videos from top creators in this space. Pay attention to their titles and thumbnails. What's grabbing your attention? Take notes. You'll start to see patterns. Once you've identified a potential topic, it's time to dig deeper with a tool like vidIQ. vidIQ shows you the search volume and competition level for different keywords. Look for keywords with high search volume but low competition. These are your golden opportunities. For example, Best AI Tools for 2024 might have a ton of searches, but not a lot of great videos. That's your chance to fill the gap. Step 3. Put together your video title and thumbnail. Your title and thumbnail are what get people to click, so make them irresistible. Instead of something bland like AI tools, try 5 AI tools that will change your life in 2024. See the difference? It's specific, intriguing, and promises value. You can use ChatGPT to help you write titles if you're struggling to think of something yourself. You can also use vidIQ's suggestions. Your thumbnail should back your title up. Use Canva to create something eye-catching, similar to how we created the YouTube logo and banner. A bold font, bright colors, and a clear focal point are key. You can use Canva's AI image generator to create unique images for your thumbnail. Step 4. Script your video. Don't worry, you don't have to be a good writer at all to do this, because we're going to use vidAI. Just type in the topic of your video, select your vibe, like casual, and pick the YouTube video format. Then click on Create Script. You can regenerate it if you need to. Once you have your script, copy it all and paste it into a Google Doc. You can delete the directions in brackets, so you just have the actual narration text. At this point, I recommend adding your own touch and opinions to make it more unique and authentic. Step 5. Generate a voiceover. 11 Labs is the best tool for this. It's an AI voice generator that sounds impressively human. Just click on Text-to-Speech, paste your script into this box, choose a voice that sounds good to you, and generate the audio. It's quick, and it gives your videos a polished, professional feel. Have a listen, then download the audio once you're happy. Step 6. Edit your video. For beginners, I recommend using CapCut. It's free, intuitive, and packed with cool features. Start by adding your voiceover and visuals. These could be stock footage, screenshots, or animations, whatever fits your topic. Use CapCut's tools to add transitions, sound effects, and on-screen text. And don't forget background music. It adds energy and keeps viewers engaged. Just make sure the music doesn't overpower your voiceover. Step 7. Get monetized. A great way to start earning, without needing to have a lot of subscribers or watch time, is through affiliate marketing. Platforms like Digistore24 offer tons of products you can promote. Sign up for free, browse their marketplace, and choose a product that fits your niche. Copy the affiliate link and include it in your video description. You can even mention it in the video, saying something like, "If you're interested in trying out product name, check out the link in the description." Step 8. Upload your video. Use the title and description you put together earlier. Make sure to include your affiliate link, add relevant tags with the help of vidIQ, and upload your custom thumbnail. Hit publish, and you've officially launched your faceless YouTube channel. Starting a faceless AI YouTube channel might seem complicated at first, but once you break it down, it's completely manageable, even for beginners. The key is to take it step by step. Focus on creating valuable, engaging content, and the rest will follow. If you have any questions about YouTube automation, or if you want to learn about more specific tools and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What will your faceless YouTube channel be about? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.